Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to change country on Netflix. First of all, you can open the Netflix application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, I can tell you that Netflix doesn't provide any feature to change the country. If you can change your country on Netflix or you can watch movies to the other regions, you can just simply go to the App Store or Play Store, and here you can just simply now tap on search at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on search again at the top of the screen. You can search VPN. After searching the VPN, you can just simply download any VPN that you want. After downloading the VPN, you can just simply open the VPN and connect it to the other region. And after connected to the other region of VPNs, the Netflix will automatically change the country and you can see your movies to the other regions. And this is the way you can change country on Netflix if you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do. Trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.